Welcome to the CryptoNest. So Solana, as you can see, is really skyrocketing, and there is the FOMO. My friends, they keep sending me messages that they missed it, they missed it, they missed it, and why didn't they buy it at $8? They would have made 300, 400x. No, 300, 4x. But no one knew if actually price would stop going lower. And actually, at that time, I was also worried that maybe Solana is not going to make it anymore. Now it's reversing. Well, that's great. But once again, when we have that feeling of missing out, let's zoom out a little bit. You can see that it's not bad, not that bad at all. Because from $8, now we are at this level here. This is the yellow line, right? So we are so far from the previous stock. And if I zoom out even more, look at that. This is where maybe Solana is going to reach. If we make a new high, yeah, the Fibonacci extension says that it should go maybe around $426. Can Solana do the wave 3, 4, and 5 into the next cycle and maybe reach almost $700? Well, it's a question no one knows for a moment, but I will tell you in 2 years if he was indeed able to reach those kind of targets. So now you can see there is no reason to FOMO. We have so much time, and we just barely started. The only thing we're doing now, it's really confirming that Solana finished this bear market. That quite honestly, I think that it did that in end of last year when it was $8 something. Now there are many ways you can read this. You could say that this was 1, and this is A overshooting wave B, C, and this is wave 2. This is one way to see it. Also, more bearish could be that, all this is the wave 3. This could be A, B, C for the B, and this is the C for the wave 4. And after that, we're going to go lower. That's the bearish count. I mean, probability that this count is going to work out, I would say maybe 5%. And then another count, which would be even more bullish than everything I said up to now, it would be that this is the 1, 2, and this is another 1, 2, and this is the third one we did. I believe now we are doing the fourth one, and we will make another fifth one, and this will complete the 5 wave in green, which will just be the third wave in blue, right? And after that, we're going to have a bigger corrective movement for the wave 4 in blue and a 5th wave in blue. So that it's even more bullish. So, nothing it's lost for the moment. And once again, if all this is going to be the third wave, we're going to have a 4th wave corrective movement. So there is no need to panic. And now I'm just making some projection. If we just take all these 5 waves up, and let's say the 5th wave actually reach these $68. So I'm going to take all that as a third wave. I think now it's too much overlapping all the indicators, but just to give an idea, take the Fibonacci for the wave 4, we should go back between $55 and $40 if price reach $68, and after that we're going to have another 5th wave. And also here I'm just noticing that there is a mistake. That's wave 5. Okay, so now let's zoom in now. So we said this is 1, 2, and this is another 1, 2. Allegedly this is the third wave. As you can see, the Fibonacci extension are saying that third wave should reach $48.65. So 48.65, and we did 46.90, pretty much damn close if you ask me. So now let's go to the 1 hour chart. And let's see what can we say more on this chart. So this is the end of the wave 3. Let me enlarge a little bit so it's easier for you to follow. Okay, so now I'm taking the brush again. So this is the end of the third wave. We did a B, and a C to complete the wave A. We did another A, B, and maybe this is the C. Not sure yet if it's completed or not. And this could complete our wave B. And yeah, soon we will know if price start to act impulsively and reach lower levels. We could say that yeah, wave C is already indeed initiated. Let me take out this drawing now. So if I take the Fibonacci retracement of this third wave, let me find it here. Okay, so third wave start here, and then all this is the third wave. You can see the Fibonacci retracement here, anywhere between $40 and $32. It's yeah, a relevant pullback. Now, if I zoom in once again, I know I'm moving a lot the screen today. Okay, so if I take also the Fibonacci extension, I take the length of the wave A and I add it to the end of the wave B, which we think up to now anyway could be the end of the wave B. It give us a 1-to-1 ratio, $35.88, and a 0.382, it's $35.52. So you can see that 30 cents near, we're having that same target. Also, once again, now hopefully you're not having a seasickness or something, or motion sickness, because I'm moving fast. But this uptrend line in green, you can see that it did act as a resistance. More likely now it can also act as a support. And if price indeed make a bigger pullback, it's going to also be there and act as a support. Also previously here we had the level of support at these levels. So you can see we have a lot of confluence at this level here between 35 and 36-ish dollar that could really act as a strong support. Also, you can see that's the MA200. We have on the 4 hours that is going to join us. Let's see the 8 hours. Sometimes it can no. Let's see the daily, honestly. Okay, that's okay. So the other thing we did have the golden cross. So everything it's building up now to build up the momentum and reverse this bearish trend or bearish momentum also. So when we start to have golden cross, price over the MA200, and reaching the 1.618 extension, when we do it based on a wave 1 and wave 2, these are indicators, or we are building up some conclusion that the trend is start to reverse, because we're having a lot of things that they start to add up, right? So the more we have indicators and Fibonacci extension that they actually reach the targets, the more start to be trustable the chart. So the more it's trustable, the more people start to build up a confidence, and then it's when things start to skyrocket. And you can see now it's already starting to skyrocket. So once again, I did put some alarms, one at $38, one at $36. If it goes at 32, I'm going to scale in even more. Worst case scenario, it doesn't hold and it go lower. Also fundamentals, they don't lie. Solana has a very strong, solid blockchain, so I wouldn't be concerned. I'm building up my long-term portfolio with Solana. I honestly need to improve my position in Solana because it's almost nothing. So I'm doing that. And once again, if we do reach $32, we're having this level as well. As you can see, it's $32. This was the top of the wave 1. that would be also, if we go below, after that is going to be, we're going to be invalidating, because, you know, if you remember, I keep saying wave 4 cannot go into the wave 1 levels. So that would be yeah, a big invalidation point. So we don't want maybe Solana to go that low. And you know, yeah, 35, 36 manageable, but if we start to go lower, we're going to start to play with fire. All right, so this is pretty much all for Solana for today. So once again, I'm sharing my personal strategy of investing in Solana. For sure, this is not financial advice. Hopefully it was helpful, and please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.